Hey guys, Matt with SolarPoolSupply here. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install our new SwimSizzle solar pool heating system. What's really cool about this kit is it's an all-in-one kit, so you can lay it on the ground, mount it on a rack, or on the roof of your home. So it includes all the components that you need to operate the system and hook it up. You're going to have this thing connected to your pool and swimming with your family in no time. We're just going to do a simple on-ground installation. It's all plug and play. Connect all the panels together into your pool. I'm going to show you how easy it is. So let's get started. We've got this nice flat spot next to the pool where we're going to put the panels. The best way to get started is just to roll them out into the area that you want. And then you can place the hardware in all the locations that you're going to be making your connections. It's going to make the installation go really fast and really easy. So we've got our panels laid out. We're ready to start our installation. Our pump and our filter are going to be right here next to the panels. So you want to start on this side. That way you know where your hoses are going to be going in and out of the system. So I'd recommend to start here. This is the flex hose adapter. This is going to be the inlet to the system. So you simply insert that into your rubber coupling. Make sure your hose clamps are on there. And you just stick that on the header. That's your inlet. It's the cold water coming into the system. And then you're just going to tighten your hose clamps on this side. The next step is going to be to install your ball valve diverter. This is going to be how you turn your solar on and off. So right opposite of where we just made our inlet hose connection, we're going to attach a rubber coupling to the header. Then the ball valve to the coupling. And then the next coupling on the other end of the ball valve. And then you're just going to tighten these hose clamps. So like I mentioned, this is the ball valve diverter. This is how you're going to turn your solar system on and off. Right now the system is turned off. And so if you want to turn your solar on and heat your water, all you have to do is turn the ball valve. All right, the next step is going to be to complete the outlet. This is where the heated water is going to come out of the system. So you just press that adapter into your rubber coupling. Rubber coupling connects to the end of the panel. And then you just tighten your hose clamps. We're moving to the other end of the panel we were just at, so opposite end. This is where your water is going to go flow through the first panel and into the second one. So the first step to installing this side is going to be to connect your end cap. And so we've already got an end cap inserted into the coupling there. Then you just connect the coupling to the header, tighten your hose clamps, and that's it for the end cap. Next step, after you've got your end cap on, is going to be to install the header spacer. This connects these two panels together, so the water is coming in here, going through your header spacer and into the next panel. So you simply plug that into your rubber coupling. Make sure you got your two hose clamps on there. And just slide it onto the header and tighten your hose clamps. And same thing with this side. So you're just gonna, again, rubber coupling on the header spacer, connect it to the panel, and tighten your hose clamps. And after you're done doing your header spacer, the next step is gonna be to put another end cap on the opposite end of where we did the first end cap. You just slide it onto your header, tighten your hose clamps, and you can't see it from that angle, but this side has an end cap in it as well. So the final two steps, you're going to connect the hoses from your pool to the panels, and then panels back to the pool. So you got two lines coming out of the pool here. Those are the outlets from the pool. They meet at the T here in the middle, and then this is coming into your pump, and then out of the pump. The one coming out of your pump is going to be connected to your solar panels. So we've got our flex hose adapter right there. Simply plug that in and tighten your hose clamp. And that's how you complete your inlet connection. So the final step is going to be to connect our outlet header to the solar panels. So this is the hot water coming out of the system and back to the pool. So this hose connects back to your pool, and that's taking the heated water back to your pool. Just slip it on the adapter, tighten your hose clamp, and your installation is complete. As you can see, you've got your cold water coming out of the pool, going into your pump and filter. from the pump and filter into the panels, and the water's flowing down one panel, across, back down to the same side, and that's the return to the pool hose, coming all the way back to the pool, carrying the heated water back to your pool. So as you can see, the installation really is that quick and easy. You could be heating your water and swimming with your family in no time. Check out our website, SolarPoolSupply.com. Links to the products in the description below.